It's 1985. Hair's big, music is louder, and Microsoft decides that staring at a blinking cursor in MS-DOS just isn't cutting it anymore. So they slap on some icons, toss in a mouse, and boom! Windows 1.0 is born. It's clunky, slow, and looks like someone tried to draw a computer on a potato, but it changes everything. For the first time, regular people could click instead of code. Fast forward through the eras, Windows 95 gives us the Start button, which we promptly panic-click when something goes wrong. XP becomes everyone's nostalgic crush. 7 hits the sweet spot. 10 fixes most of 8's mistakes. And now Windows 11 is basically trying to convince us it's a Mac with round corners. Under the hood, Windows is like a hyperactive office manager. It juggles your programs, files, and hardware, keeping things running, or at least trying to, while pretending not to notice you've opened 47 Chrome tabs and Spotify at once. Pros? Compatibility out the wazoo. It runs on nearly every machine, from budget laptops to alien-level gaming rigs. The interface is friendly enough that even your grandparents can figure it out, eventually. And when it works, it really works. Cons? Oh, it has those too. It's like that friend who throws amazing parties but always forgets your birthday. Fun, powerful, but occasionally unreliable. Random crashes, helpful updates that break your printer, and the ever-present threat of malware lurking in your downloads folder. Still, for better or worse, Windows is the backbone of modern computing. Part genius, part chaos, and 100% that friend you just can't quit.